If you've ever wondered how you can make money selling Printful hats online, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Michael, and today we've teamed up with an experienced e-commerce seller and YouTuber, Ryan Hogue. Ryan will share how he managed to start a hat business and make $1,500 in 7 days by selling custom hats online. I'm excited to hear how he did it, so let's get right into it. Hey Ryan.
Hey Michael, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story with your audience. My name is Ryan Hogue and I've been selling online since late 2016. That's where I got my start as an Amazon FBA seller. Before long, I was selling print-on-demand products alongside of my Amazon FBA products as an additional source of income. Today, I want to tell you guys the story of how I made $1,500 profit recently selling hats like the one I'm wearing right here through Amazon Seller Central that Printful fulfilled for me. I was actually not even home. I was in Miami at the Bitcoin conference while all this money came in. So guys, I'm sure you're gonna be interested in what I've got to share with you, but I'm gonna send it back over to Michael for more information on Printful's integrations with marketplaces like Amazon and other places.
Before you figure out how to replicate Ryan's success by selling our print-on-demand hats, you'll need to get some technical details in order. One of those things is setting up your store and linking it to your Printful account. This is to ensure your customers can actually buy your product. You can connect Printful to more than 20 e-commerce platforms and marketplaces. If you choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify or Wix, your store will be a standalone website. If you choose to create your store on a marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, then your online store will be part of a large marketplace. Of course, you don't have to limit yourself to selling on a single platform or creating just one store. With Printful, you can create multiple stores on different platforms and marketplaces to cast a wider net and reach more people. Take a look at our e-commerce platform guide to learn more about every platform and marketplace. If you're unsure which integration would suit your needs, you can take a 1-minute quiz and get marketplace and platform suggestions based on your preferences. Once you've decided on your e-commerce platform, built your store, and listed your products, you can start selling and we'll take care of fulfillment and shipping.
Integrating Printful with my Amazon store has been a huge help. I can't overstate the importance of automated fulfillment. It frees up so much time so that I can focus on things like niche research. When I say niche research, what I'm really doing is evaluating markets, trying to figure out what customers are buying. By following the customers, you dramatically increase the likelihood of making sales. So in the case of me making $1,500 profit on this hat in a 1-week span, I did a little bit of arbitrage. So I went over to the popular e-commerce website Redbubble and scanned the trends there and realized that something that was really popular over on Redbubble was not being catered to on Amazon. So all I did was say, hey, this niche is popular over here. I bet you it's gonna be popular over here on Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce website. And what do you know? I was onto a gold mine. And if you're wondering, what hat did I sell exactly? Well, it was the Yupong 6007. I've got one right here in my hands. And you can see here, it's a flat bill snapback cap, kind of like the one that I am wearing, but not the same brand exactly. And when Printful fulfills them for you, this is a pretty good example of what the customer will receive. Now, they do have multiple colors available within Printful, and this is not actually the hat design, by the way, in case you guys were wondering, but I did have this on hand. So I wanted to show you, this was the best-selling hat type for me thus far.
If you love the 5-panel hat style, you can find more of those on our Printful catalog. Besides that, there are many different styles and colors of hats to choose from, so you can successfully sell hats with Printful. You can design bucket hats for the trendy crowd, visors for the sporty folks, and baseball hats for the people who appreciate the classics. Even if you're not yet sure which hat style will sell best, with Printful you have room to experiment. It's easy to create designs with our free design maker and then add them to multiple products on your Printful's end. Since you don't have to order products in bulk as they're only made when someone makes an order, you don't run the risk of ending up with unsold stock. Let's say you create a custom design for a bucket hat, but people aren't keen on buying it. With a few clicks, you can remove the bucket hat from your store and try the same design on different hat styles to see if the hat sells better. Give your customers a variety of choices and offer the design you created on multiple different hat styles and colors from the get-go.
I definitely agree with that piece of advice. If you are making sales on, let's just say in this case, hats, well, there's a good chance some customers are gonna wanna purchase that same design on t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, mugs, you name it. Obviously, Printful's got a massive catalog that they are constantly expanding, which works to our benefits as sellers of these products. So make sure if you are making consistent sales in a niche, that you make that design available on multiple products.
You can choose from more than 300 products. Plus, we're actively working to expand our product catalog by introducing new products, colors, and styles. Sky is the limit when it comes to your online store product selection.
I wanted to thank you again, Michael, and the team at Printful for allowing me to share my story today. Before I leave, I wanted to leave you with one last piece of advice. If you're selling on the major e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay, and you come across a niche where you're making recurring sales, I think you may want to consider running advertisements to your most successful listings. This helps you cement your place at the top of search results so that you don't get overtaken by a competitor that stumbles onto this niche a little bit later than you. This is just something that I prefer to do to protect myself whenever I have a winning product. But guys, thank you so much again for the opportunity to be here. I hope that you've learned a lot from my experience and that you're able to replicate my success.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us. I personally feel super inspired by your success story. It's been great having you here, Ryan. I hope all of you watching took notes of all the valuable tips Ryan shared. The next step for you is taking all of this knowledge and heading over to our product catalog and designing your next bestseller. Let me know how it goes.